Ever wondered what an image sounds like? Well, this painting of mine, which I recently made, by the way, drop comments on how good my painting is, sounds like this. And this image sounds like. How it works is kind of complicated, and if you want to know how it exactly works, how I code it and stuff, drop a comment. But first of all, if you want to do it by yourself, you can navigate to this website, which is in the description. You can upload any image and do Flower Boy by Tyler, and you give it a sec. You can download the song, and as you can see, it sounds like the thing I showed before. And if you upload that, so you could just keep the audio and be like, hey, this image sounds like this. But something cooler is if you upload that image back again in here and go to music.image, music-to-image, sorry, it converts it back into the image. It will turn it into grayscale, but that's just one of the quirks. But it's still super cool, and please subscribe if you like this, and yeah, please subscribe.